my name is Heather. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are continuing with the book review of How to Break Up with Fast Fashion. And we're doing part 2 today, which is The Split. So in order for me to cover everything in sufficient detail, I've broken this section into 2 parts. So we're doing part 1 of part 2, The Split, today. This section continues with the breaking up with the romantic partner language. In this case, we are the dumper. Fast fashion is the dumpee. If you have been the dumpee in a relationship breakup, this is your chance to play out the role of the dumper. A few options on how to initiate the breakup. Go cold turkey. Have an abstinence period of 3 to 6 months, or just give yourself one shop to go to. Practical pointers. Unsubscribe from all newsletters. Give them reasons if you need to. Give yourself some conditions. Analyze your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Shop your closet. Get inspiration from iconic looks and set up strategies to love your clothes. Courtney Carver's 333 Capsule Wardrobe Challenge. Get rid of unwanted stuff, but also reflect as you do so. The process. Get all the items out, then separate into piles of keep, donate, mend, or give to textile recyclers. Create a blueprint for future acquisitions. We tend to throw away the trendy pieces. The keepers tend to be the classic, vintage, and quality pieces. Retroactively analyze past purchases, then resolve to have a plan moving forward. Ask why you don't wear the high cost per wear items. Why do we wear the low cost per wear items? A good rule of thumb is to aim for 30 wears. For some items, like this dress, my cost per wear is $18. I am on wear number 10. The boots are less than $1 cost per wear. I have worn them more than 50 times and they cost me $50. I got this dress during COVID. It took me a while to wear it, but I knew it was a great purchase. I love it and I will keep it forever. It's a white linen dress, need I say more? It's a category all of its own. Having this stops me from buying more white linen dresses. I literally feel like this category is full and I don't need another. If you are enjoying my video so far, please like and subscribe. I would love to have you join this channel and join this community. Take an inventory of your clothes. Know what you have and make intentional purchases. Pack away the out-of-season clothes. This process reduces decision fatigue. Think of your wardrobe as your dressing workbench. Only have in there what you are wearing in this current season. The unpacking process is fun, seeing old favourites again at the start of the new season. Wash clothes less frequently. Every time we wash plastic-based fabrics like polyester and nylon, they shed thousands of tiny fibres which then contaminate our waterways, rivers and oceans and end up ingested by fish and by us. Microplastic particles have been found in 83% of drinking water from 12 countries around the world, including the UK, and the risks to human health are still a big unknown. That's Lauren Bravo, page 115. I personally don't own a dryer. I hang all my clothes on a washing line, an undercover area where I can hang clothes when it's raining. In winter, I hang my smalls and towels on the rails on my column heater. I keep an eye on the weather and plan my wash days accordingly. When I installed my washing machine, I specifically requested not to have the hot water tap connected, so I can only wash my clothes in cold water. I have a front loader, not a top loader. It's gentler on the clothes, and I do find that my clothes last longer. switching to natural fibres and treating them as per the instructions. I turn clothes inside out when I wash and hang them on the line. This process also reduces fading due to friction and the sun. Some practical tips on how to get rid of stains. Oil, use talcum powder, corn flour, or dry shampoo. Red wine, blot, salt and bicarbonate of soda. Berries, turn the garment inside out, then pour on boiling water from the inside of the garment and use whitening toothpaste. Chocolate, turn the garment inside out, pour on cold water, then make a paste from a stain remover. Blood, turn the garment inside out, pour cold water on it from the inside, then soak it and use vinegar. So there you go. That is the first part of part 2, the split. So I do hope that you will join me next week, and we're going to be looking at the second part of part 2 of how to break up with fast fashion.